2020 Ram 3500 Promaster 3500. I have already removed the necessary parts to get access to strut. So there is one bolt right there and a nut behind it, which I have removed, and here is the nut, here's the bolt, and that's the bottom portion. And I'm gonna show you the tricky part. The upper bolts of the strut assembly is accessible from inside behind the fuse box, which is a smart fuse box and computer combined together. And you have to remove these three bolts from the top. That will release the strut, and whole suspension will be relaxed a bit. Then you'll be able to wiggle this bottom of the strut out of the knuckle assembly. So there's nothing special, no special tools, just the regular repair shop stuff. And so you don't need to go under the hood. It's accessible from inside again. So, and I hope this helps someone.